Samsung has officially introduced One UI 8.0, the next version of its custom software, and it's built on Android 16. But this time, the update isn't about a big redesign or dramatic changes. Instead, Samsung has focused on making things smoother, more stable, and bringing some features from its newest phones to older Galaxy devices. So, what does One UI 8 offer? When will you get it? And which devices are included? Let's go through everything step by step. If you were hoping for a major design refresh like what we saw with One UI 7, this update might feel a little underwhelming. One UI 8 keeps almost the same look and feel. That's because Samsung already did the major design work in the previous version, and now the company is mainly polishing things up. There are a few small changes. For example, Samsung apps like Gallery now use round buttons in pop-up menus, and there's a new blur effect in the background when certain menus appear. These tweaks don't change the overall style, but do make the interface look cleaner and more modern. When it comes to new features, One UI 8 also takes a light approach. Android 16 itself is not a huge update from Google, and Samsung followed the same path. The biggest addition is a feature called Now Breathe, which is part of Galaxy AI. This works like a built-in assistant that learns your daily habits and gives you helpful suggestions. It's Samsung's way of bringing more AI-powered tools to everyday users. Another big part of One UI 8 is that it extends some features from the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy Z Fold 7, Flip 7 to older phones. For example, the long video recording option, which first appeared on the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6, is now being added to more devices. Samsung also highlighted a few improvements in its official notes. Quick Share has been upgraded for faster and easier file transfers. Samsung Internet Browser has a cleaner, smoother design. Samsung DeX now supports better display options, making it more useful for people who use their phone like a PC. Calendar and reminder tools have been improved for better task management. None of these changes are groundbreaking, but they add convenience and make the overall experience smoother. One big thing to notice is that One UI 8 is rolling out faster than any previous version. That's because Google gave manufacturers Android 16 earlier than usual. One UI 8 comes pre-installed on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, and the update rollout for older devices starts in September 2025. Flagships will get it first, followed by mid-range and budget models in the months after. Samsung launched the beta program for One UI 8 back in May 2025, starting with the Galaxy S25 series. By August, it expanded to the Galaxy S24 and the Z Fold 6, Flip 6. Then in September, even more devices got access, including the Galaxy S23 series, Fold 5, Flip 5, A55, A54, A36, and A35. Tablets were left out of the beta, but they'll get the stable version later. Now, let's talk about which devices will get One UI 8. Thanks to Samsung's software policy of 3 major Android upgrades, most Galaxy devices launched in 2023 or later will be updated. Even flagships from 2022 are included. Here's a breakdown of the supported devices. Galaxy S series, from the S22 up to the latest S25, including the S23 FE and S24 FE. Galaxy Z series, from the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 up to the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, including special editions. Galaxy S series, popular models like the A73, A56, A55, A54, A53, and even entry-level phones like the A06 and A15, A16. Galaxy Tab series, from the Tab S8 lineup to the Tab S10 Ultra and Tab S10 FE Plus, plus budget options like the Tab A9 and A9 Plus. Galaxy F and M series, recent models such as F56, F55, F54, M56, M55, and M54 will be covered. Galaxy Xcover series, rugged phones like the Xcover 7, 7 Pro, and 6 Pro are also included. In short, if you bought a Galaxy flagship in the last 3 years or a mid-range phone from 2023 onward, there's a very good chance you'll be getting One UI 8. This update won't shock you with huge new features or a completely new look, but that isn't a bad thing. Sometimes the best updates are the ones that make your phone run more reliably and give older devices access to newer tools with smoother performance, upgraded sharing, smarter AI with Now Breathe, and a rollout that's faster than ever before. One UI 8 sets up Samsung's software nicely for the year ahead. If you're a Galaxy user, you may not notice dramatic changes right away, but the little improvements will make your phone feel more polished and dependable every day.